we have this beautiful, incredible technology available to us that it's magic. It's all magic. Our minds are magic. We are magic. So that's fucking that. Okay. There's no limits. Limits don't exist. I get everything I want. I get to have any reality I want. Again, we use the technology to just clear things we're not seeing, or clear things we think we're seeing. Or here's the thing, we have decided that there are blocks to us having certain things. Well, guess what? There are no blocks. There are no blocks. So when we think we're having blocks, we're just creating blocks. We've created a reality where there are blocks. And this is, sometimes this is kind of a tough one a little bit, because it's like, how are there not blocks? There's always blocks. It feels like blocks. Or if the thing isn't here yet, there must be blocks. Well, guess what? There's no blocks. And then we have mantras and things we can use to be like, it's not the mantra. The mantra is not necessarily the thing that we're using to clear the blocks. The mantra is to clear our own idea that there are even blocks. It's just like a profound thought. Because there's no blocks. We're the blocks. So we're going to use the 24th Pauri of Japji today, because what is it all about? Limitless, 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 limitless. Whatever stops you gets stopped. Whatever stops you gets stopped. There's nothing outside of us stopping anything from happening. And if we think that it's an outside thing, the outside thing is just a reflection, emanation of our own internal block, or thought that there is a block, or red tape or something. It's all in here. So it's time to wrap our heads around this. The only blocks that we see in the 3D is a reflection of a block that we are somehow creating with our ingrained belief that there must be a block of some sort. So we're creating the block. So here's the great thing about that: we can remove the block. We can easily just remove any block. And that's why it's great that we have this technology, because it's going to do it in a way. And like, it's good to say there are no blocks in English. There are no blocks. I have no blocks. There's no limitations. There's no blocks. There's no blocks. I get to have what I want, like easy and clear. There's no blocks. And then I can use a mantra to then go into the cosmic field around me and then really like move things within me so that they reflect in the 3D, the movement. But really the movement is within our own minds.